subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo mga ka-anyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Na In-woo. Only here on Annyeong Chiga Update! Marry My Husband star Na In-woo will be exempted from military service. It was reported on December 17 by Sports Chosun that 30-year-old actor Na In-woo was previously judged as grade 4 supplementary service during his physical examination and has since been waiting for the notice for social service duty. Since it's been 3 years and the actor have not received a summons from the Military Manpower Administration, Na In-woo reportedly became eligible for exemption due to the delay of 3 years. According to Star News, under the Military Service Act, if a person classified as a 4th grade supplementary soldier is not called up for duty within 3 years, they are granted a military exemption. Since 2019, over 10,000 individuals have received military exemptions, and it is reported that more than 10,000 others have also received this status this year, with Na In-woo included in that number. Na In-woo's agency, Hanada Company, confirmed Star News' statement and said, "It is true that Na In-woo has received a military exemption from the Military Manpower Administration. Since this is in accordance with the Military Manpower Administration's decision, there is nothing further we can comment on." On the other hand, Na In-woo is gearing up to star in MBC new Friday-Saturday K-drama, Motel California, which will premiere on January 10th, 2025. That's it mga ka-anyong. What can you say about Na In-woo's being exempted to military service and for his upcoming K-drama, Motel California? Comment your thoughts below.
And then please like and subscribe.